Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper in the additional of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, July the 20th, 2021. In this additional we have 6 extra Sudokus, not 7, not 8, but 6. We have the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. Then, yes, normally in this area we have a tectonic with 4 stars, but it disappeared. So we have only one tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Yes, and binary puzzle number 2. Oh, we have 7 puzzles, not 6. Yeah, we have 2. All right. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. I only do 4 of them. I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars. Then I do a tectonic and a binary. Yes. All right. But first, we will solve this 3 stars Sudoku. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 3 is 20, 21, 22 plus 3, 25. As usual. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9. No 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about... Mm, 4. Let me think. 1. Well, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There, 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. In this column, the second column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be here. Okay. And we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. In the last column for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4 and an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3, 2, 7, 3, 2, 7. No, cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, 2, 7. 3, 2, 7. 2, 2. Okay, 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 okay. 1, 1. Okay, in this big square we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 101 in these 3 boxes. There 101 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1, but I see an 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay, 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Okay. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. 8, 8, 4. 8. Okay. I'm thinking. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and a 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in the second column. So no 9 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 6. That means 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 8 are missing. 4 and 8, alright. 4, 4. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 is missing. 5 is missing. 2, 5. And 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have 4 and 8. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this row, the middle row, are the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2, 4, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so here cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers. Here we have 2 and a 3. 1, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see it there. 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. Alright. 6, 6. 7, 3, and a 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 4. 3, 7, 4. 3, 7, 4. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair, 2 and 8. Yeah. Let me blow my nose. Alright. There we have a pair. 1, 1. 6, 6. 9, 9. 7, 7. 1, 2, and a 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. Still cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, 9. 2 cannot be 1. These 3 missing numbers in the second row are the numbers 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. Here we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And we have a 1 here. So 1 digit left should be the 9. So here 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Okay. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be an 8. I've marked this box with a 2 and an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 7, 4, 9. Yes. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box is going to be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second Sudoku 8 4 Stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.